It's now Sunday. It's 8:30 p.m. So, pa-check out na kami dito sa Hotel Blitz in Jaipur. And we'll be heading to Agra. So, mahaba yung biyahe namin. I think 6 to 7 hours. Pero may isip pa kaming pupuntahan where bibisit namin isang location. Over lang tayo to have some light snack kasi baka gutomin tayo along the way.
Hindi naman yun yung point nung
sige, anong point mo? Yung egg, hindi open mo? Literal, egg. Bayan lang. I want to pay now.
Wow!
Guys, it's now 1:30 p.m. so it's time for lunch. We're now here in Ganpati Resort. Garden resorts, no? Oo nga, para tayo sa spa.
Pagka-order natin, ikot-ikot tayo.
Dapat ganyan din. There.
Push the door.
Ay,
ito lang yung push.
Oo nga. Do not push the door. Sorry. Push the door. Yeah.
Sino pong gusto ng buffet tsaka ng a la carte?
Wala lang, sisilipin lang kung saan daw gusto.
Bale, saan niyo po gusto kumain?
Ay,
Magkano ka?
Magkano muna?
Sino na naman po
650 ang buffet. Let's check muna the food. Check the food. Same again.
Hindi, meron silang ano doon, no? Dalawang kakaiba.
May kakaiba.
Ito, tatlo. Ito, chicken, ano to? Potato.
Chili potato.
Fish curry.
Hamburger and mustard.
Chicken.
Oh, sesame noodles.
Fish curry.
Fish curry. Chicken.
Shahi korma.
And this.
Appetizer. Vermicelli pudding.
Vermicelli and
Gulab jamun. So two types of soup is there. Tomato soup.
Tomato soup. Okay. Parang a la carte na lang. Kasi kumain tayo eh. Kanina.
Gulab. Gulab. Okay.
Pero dito ibang kulay, itim.
Ito siyang pancake.
Oh, walang choice eh. Huwag na mag-buffet na lang ako.
Kasi mahal daw pala. So, mga mayayaman sabi.
Talaga ka ng pera.
Pay natin to. Mag-soft drinks na ako. 1 Coke. Oh yeah, cola. Okay guys, so nag-a la carte lang kami. So we have beer lamps and then rice. And then, ayan yung order din nila. So nag-a la carte na rin lang sila. Order for share and then the other side naman is na buffet na lang sila for lunch. Ayan guys, so this is lamb. Since mahilig sila dito sa lamb and just sawa na kami sa mga curry. Try lang natin. Yeah. Dry lang naman siya, no? Parang honey chili something.
Ano malasa?
Yeah. Ito.
Mamatin.
Ano yan lang?
Oh, lamb lang.
Yes.
Without looking?
Without looking.
Magkaiba pa yan, no?
Magic.
I'm looking your eye.
Wow, isa lang.
You're right. Yeah.
Ano may coaster?
Oo.
Coaster.
Ay, nahilig ko naman ako sa coaster. Magkano yan? Magkano yan?
1,400
Ay, ang mahal! Ang mahal!
Mahal na.
1,400, no? Mahal!
Talaga yun ang
If you like 1,200.
Ano man sa Agra?
Oo. At alam mo, kaming nabudol dito kung ano-anong mga ino-offer nila. Ah, kanya to? Hindi ko siya nakita. Okay, sige. Ayan. Meron tayong mga Agra. Apoy na mo! Hello, family. Hello? Pakalat-kalat lang dito po yung bubble gum mo. God.
This way.
Ang daming nagbebenta.
Nakita ka ng baboy na mo?
Oo.
Video mo?
Eh, nakita nga dito. Maliit lang siya.
Grabe, kakaiba dito talaga.
Oo, no? Grabe, normal lang dito sa atin.
Elepante, dumadaan sa highway.
Kaya nga eh, may camel pa.
Ang camel?
Oo, nakita namin yung gabi.
May baka
Yes, please come.
Oo. Hulas na pala bukas uwi. Ano eh?
Mali siya pa ako.
Eh, oo nga pala.
12 din flight niya, di ba?
Oh, 11:30. Next. Tapos, ang stopover yun. Malaysia pa rin.
Makakabili pa ako sa dapat.
Lalabas ka ba?
You are a group leader?
Sa Philippines, Malaysia. Saglit lang kami, 4 hours, 5 hours lalabas.
Thai!
20 minutes. Anybody want to eat, you tell him. Okay, we will stop.
Ha? Grabe. Layo naman.
Are you done, Dio?
Madami din tao ah. Agra. Mukhang sasakay pa tayo ah. Mukhang sasakay pa tayo sa service. Kasya tayo. Dapat sa likod. Takot ako.
Pero ito na yung kwento ko.
May iba? Mamaya tayo. Tayo sa kabila. Ako ba nag-drive?
Pwede naman.
Ano ba? Ala, may kasamang iba eh. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, don't worry, don't worry. Wait, wait. Other one. Yes, come.
Ito kami. Let's go! Tara, tara, tara!
One group is not coming. This is 3, 3, 9 and 10 seater. We compete in both of one. Both of
Okay na yun, yaman natin.
some here and some here. Okay,
Guys, ito na kayo, Ting. Oh, mas lumipat ka! Mas lumipat ka!
बाहर साहब आ जाएंगे आपके आ जाएंगे कोई दिक्कत नहीं
Uy, andito ka nga pala.
ये सीट खाली है
Hi! Anak na RG is umuwi din galing sa parang sports event. Tapos, ang pangit nun, nung after na nun, pakwento niya pa, unting niya pang papatay yung bata.
Kasi hindi niya alam.
Kasi di niya alam na anak
Niya.
unting niya mapatay.
Parang ano, hinwa.
Oo.
Ah,
Parang pa. Ay,
Mga ano, Stone Cold. Oo, ganun.
parang pala. Tapos,
sa akalesa.
niparate niya pa yung bata
Doktor ka na akalesa.
sa mga kasama niya. So, ang ginawa nung ganun yung nalaman
Yung
ni
soundtrack ng story ko, boses mo, Philip.
Nung nalaman ni RG na ganun ang
Ano?
ginawa, lahat nung gumahasa sa bata, katay niya lang.
Four, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13,
Guling.
15, 16, 18, 19. Done. Coming from Rajasthan in Jaipur, there the palace of Maharaja, there was the Hindu king. This monument is built by the Akbar, Muslim king. His dynasty belonged to the Mongol. Mongol is between Russia and China, so people call Mongol to Mughal.
Mogul.
Mongol to Mughal. You are from Philippines for
Yes.
Philippines. I am India for Indian. China for Chinese. Mongol to Mughal. Category was Muslim.
Philippine.
First Mughal Babur, who was born in the Central Asia. Second was Humayun, he was born in the Kabul. Third was Akbar, he was born in India, 1542 in state Punjab. He was old, only 14 years. He was the king in India. The king, he married 3 wives. One Hindu, one Muslim, one Christian. Hindu from Jaipur, Muslim from Turkey, and Christian from Goa in Portugal. No child.
Iba-iba.
No child, this is God gift, so he come to pray. Salim Chishti, he was the one of the Muslim holy man. Muslim holy man who blessing Hindu wife, then she gives a child. Fourth Mughal was born here, it was the lucky place. So city is built by the memory for the child in 12 years. Then the city is complete by the 12 year, he stay only 3, total 15, then he has no water. Then Akbar he left in Lahore in Pakistan. No water here. It is the reason. So here the palaces, enjoy place, haram and bazaar. This was the big courtyard used for the public meeting place, hall of public audience. You understand?
Yes.
King sit in the balcony with the minister. Public come to sit in the ground. They have a problem to complain. He take judgment. Just only public meeting. And private meeting inside, palace inside. Okay? Please come.
Grabe na yung well-maintained yung mga ano nila.
Kasi napagkakitaan niya.
Oo, dapat nga ganun din sa atin.
Hero mo in everyday.
Sa kanila parang puna ang mga local eh.
Daming entrance.
Dami,
So nabibigyan ng trabaho yung
Trabaho.
local.
Kaya nga, tapos ang dami yung mga souvenir.
Oo. So
Napakadami.
buhay na buhay.
Oo. Kami nasa CR, di ba may nagbibigay ng tissue? Tapos,
Oo, may bayad.
oo. Naawa naman ako. Di, buti nila may 20. Nice ang weather pero sobrang init. Katirika ng araw. 3:35 p.m.
Pero kami, feeling
Hindi kasi ayaw mainitan.
Hindi kasi ang nakakatamad magbitbit ng jacket.
Kaya nga. Kaya may mga students ulit. Lagi may mga parang field trip, guys. Ayan na siya. Ganda. Ang ganda talaga ng mga temple dito, guys. Sa India. Sobrang init. Parang siyang bricks lahat. Yung parang intramuros. Ayan. Ganda.
The private meeting place, like a parliament house in Mughal time. There the steps, we can't go outside, is now locked. King, he sit in the central top of the pillar. Minister who sit in the surrounding in the window. And he has a problem to discuss, get the advice. So it was the ministry at that time as a parliament. Okay?
Napakainit. Eh guys, katirika ng araw. So, nandito nga pala tayo guys sa Agra, India. Ito lang yung tour natin ngayon kasi diretso na tayo sa hotel. Galing tayo ng Jaipur. So, 6 to 7 hours kasi Jaipur to Agra. Kaya, ito lang yung kaya natin.
Listen, public meeting and private meeting. Okay, it was the Wind Palace. Wind Palace in Jaipur. That is Hindu style. It is the Chinese style, like a pagoda.
Pagoda.
King and queen, they come to sit on the top to get the cool breeze. So that is called the Wind Palace. Tourists is no allowed. You understand?
Yes.
This was the school for children to get the education of the Holy Quran, Islamic school.
School.
Akbar son Jahangir who get the education of the Quran, Holy Quran.
Quran.
And on the floor we can see the game of the Ludo. You know Ludo? Game of dice. See, the big Ludo. The big Ludo here. Listen, king and queen, they come to sit in the corner. King and queen.
Okay.
Ladies was the figure. She standing 4, 4, 4 and 4.
So, dice.
Then they throw dice. Then girls, you know, like this. So this is the game for
But
here
again,
at that time.
Yeah, we know how to play this stick.
King and queen, they throw dice throw in the middle.
And then
ladies dancing here.
you hop. So, everyday merong mga parang tour or something dito. Ayan na, ayan na, ayan na.
Pasuyo nga ako, picture mo ako dito lang. Habang wala pa dito. Yan namin gamitin.
Pinawisan tuloy.
Pagod tuloy ako.
Feeling nasa beach kasi. Dami student talaga.
Oo, kahit linggo.
Oo, no. Active sila sa tour.
Yung mga reaction paper nyo, ay reflection paper nyo.
Yes, sir. Munting na ng water. Water natin. Ayan, ano yan? O, diba? May tubig. Punta naman tayo sa next area. Ayan, Anup Talaw. Ayan, so guys, Anup Talaw. Against the light pa, pero siguro later maganda yan. Ang ganda o, red. Siguro yan yung sunset. Ang ganda niyan dito.
Maganda.
Doon.
Nice angle photograph. Nice photograph.
Yeah, very nice.
Nice view.
Yes.
Yeah, habang wala pang people.
And Or
Wife.
I'm saying
Muslim
three wife.
wife.
Hindu wife, Muslim wife, Christian wife.
Yes.
Muslim wife stay there, king stay from here. This one is the place at that time to take enjoy for the music man. Music man, he sit in the middle.
Ang lalaki ng mga
Place
ano
the
nila.
full water to use from the echo sound. Sit from there in between. They have a 200 illegal wife from that balcony there. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh.
How many concubines?
200.
Illegal? What? Parang factory naman.
Where are the bastard children?
Ah.
They have slaves.
Galing.
Ayan guys, ang baba.
Ayan guys, oh. Guys, oh. You see that?
Para kaming nasa ilalim ng ano, ng bahay na bato.
Yeah.
Ayun, ang sweet nila.
Who? Wow. Last stop. Okay.
Guys, dito papasok na tayo dito sa maliit na pintuan. So, ayan. So, surprise tayo dyan. Tingnan nyo lang mabuti. Ayan, okay. Diba? So, sige. So, oh. Wow, ang lawak po guys. Tingnan nyo. Ang ganda. My God. Kita mo yung araw. O, pakita mo yung araw. O, ang ganda ng view, my God.
So, ito na yung last part nitong temple na visit natin. It's 4:25 p.m. na. And I think this is the last na. Ayan. Almost the same din naman sila lahat. Yung parang red bricks. Ito, merong door here. Try natin pumasok. Guys, so we will now enter the last part. Kahit Sunday guys, ang daming tao. Okay, another door. And ayan, so ito yung makikita natin. na. So, bumaba na yung araw. At may monkey sa taas, guys. Hindi ko alam kung nakikita niyo. Few minutes na lang yung binibigay sa amin and this tour will end na. Sobrang laki nito. Yan lang siya. So everything is the same. Tinatawag na naman kami ng tour guide. So mukhang palabas na tayo. Kasi hanggang 5 p.m. na.
Bakit tawagin mo sila?
Guys, lipad kayo. Sige na, magpakitang gilas kayo sa amin.
mo nga.
Ayaw eh. Guys, lipad. Charot. Wala, ayaw. Diyan lang sila. Parang, ayun.
Anong lahi yan?
Parang parrot.
Hindi naman.
What is the name of the bird?
Parrot.
Oh,
Green parrot.
I said parrot, he said no.
Hindi parot yan.
Parang parrot. Parrot lang yung pagkaparrot. Parrot nga.
Ha?
Parrot nga.
Guys, exit na kasi hanggang 5 p.m. lang. Guys, labas na tayo. We're done na with our tour. And siguro after an hour, mag-check-in naman tayo sa hotel natin, which is our last destination here in Agra, India.
Kanina may ano dyan, ay dalawang unggoy nagkukutuhan. Tapos yung isa nagbibidyo.
Ay. Ayan. Oo. Wow. Runner.
Tingnan mo yung ginagawa ng dalawa doon, ah. Ayun, ayun. Nagpa-planking.
Saan ka mga may exercise dito?
Hello! Hi! See ya!
Traffic. Kanina pa kami dito. It's now 7:45 p.m. and we're stopped here in Agra.
Happy New Year!
Pwede tayo pumunta ng KFC.
Yay!
Ito lang yun yung KFC. Diba pagkaano?
Guys, so we are now here in Maple Grand. Sobrang lively ng lugar na to. Like, finally, we're now in the city.
Yamaha. Maybe others.
Namaste.
Namaste. Thank you.
Oh, dear, 5 for 100 magnet.
Okay guys.
Hi guys, dito tayo sa hotel. So ngayon, we have a long trip. So pagod na kami. So sana makakain kami ng maayos na hindi ganun puro masala. My God. Meron akong friend dito na idol namin, si Felipe.
Charles.
We are now here. Thank you. Hey guys, pinigyan na yung room key natin. So kaka-check-in lang namin. It's 8 p.m. na. Actually, pa nga ako umakyat kasi ang dami nagbibenta sa baba. Ayan, Godel is real. So mga keychain na may Taj Mahal. So akyat muna. Dito na tayo sa 3rd floor. So 306 daw tayo. So nauna na yung kasama ko. Kasi yun nga, nag-Godel na naman kami. We have to check which room are we? 306, so there you go. We are now in room 306. So bigyan ko lang kayo ng quick room tour. Pagpasok nyo, so I think lalagyan to ng mga luggage. And then here's the toilet. And then this is the lavatory. So yan, ito yung ating mirror. And then ito, wow, I love the shower head. So ito yung ating shower room. And then after this, meron silang cabinet here. More cabinet with a hanger. And of course, meron tayo dito full-size na mirror. Actually guys, kakaakyat lang namin, so medyo magulo pa yung room. 8 p.m. na, ngayon lang kami dumating dito. So meron naman siyang TV, and again, meron tayo ditong 2 single na bed. And of course, ayan, we have your kettle, and glass, of course, free water, and then table and chair. Ayan, and then of course, meron din tayo ditong view ng city. So, yan. Ito yung view natin. from sa taas. So, ayan. Hindi masyadong kita pero tomorrow morning, check ulit natin. So, ayan. So far, maganda naman yung room natin. Yeah, very din, maliwanag din yung light. Yeah, meron pa siyang fan. So, ngayon, nasa labas na tayo. After we check in, so 8 p.m. So, last night namin to. So, yeah, check tayo. Sa tayo kakain or kung mayroong mga souvenir shop or kung anong pwedeng gawin. Sige.
Si KFC kasi yan.
Ako kasi okay rin lang.
Hindi, mag-take off lang naman yan kasi mag-yoga pa siya.
Oh?
Oo. Hindi siya pwede kumain na hindi pa yoga kasi susupa.
So, nandito tayo sa Friends Forever.
pasta, maanghang ba?
And then, ayun, mix daw yung menu.
Basta ito, alam ko white sauce. Yung kinain lang namin na... Oo.
So, very cheap daw.
Ito yan.
Separate.
Ate.
Hindi by heart.
May ano.
Hi guys.
Hello. Welcome to India.
Yeah.
Nasa Ermita na po.
Nasa Ermita lang daw tayo.
Ermita na tayo.
Hi guys.
India pala.
Para sa'yo ito